Morning babes, I'm just about to the garage to work on the car and record a new YouTube video.
Excuse me? No. You can get that mud kitchen built for your daughter that you promised her a year ago. Get about your f***ing car videos and get a mud kitchen built now, or else.
So, yeah, I'm in the doghouse, or Playhouse, actually. This is Millie's Playhouse. I made this last year for her. I didn't do a how-to video on it, never had a YouTube video back then, but I'll put a few pictures of the progress on the screen just now to show you the building process for it. So I enjoyed making things for Millie, and the next thing I was going to make her was a mud kitchen, which I promised her for ages, promised the wife as well, and she's finally on my back now to say, get it done or else, so hence the start of this video. And don't worry, I'm still going to do car content as well. I just like to do DIY stuff, like carpentry, joinery kind of jobs as well. So this is the reason for this video. Just want to show you the process of how I made a mud kitchen from scratch. And for those of you who don't know what a mud kitchen is, it's just basically an outdoor kitchen for kids to play with. So it's something that's kind of weatherproof and they can mess around with soil, stones, water, dirt, grass, etc. without having to worry about getting the house dirty because it's all outside. The first time I saw a mud kitchen was at my friend's house, best friend's house down in Stirling. Him and his wife had one out in the garden for their wee girl. So when I caught an eye on it, I was like, oh, what's that over there? And they were like, oh, it's just a mud kitchen for them to play with outside. So Susie, my best mate's wife, she was like,
Ah, James, you can make that yourself, no bother.
and yeah, hence why I thought I'd give it a go. Not one to turn down the challenge, so we'll see how this one turns out in the video. So yeah, let's get stuck into making this mud kitchen so I can keep my wife happy and also give Millie something new to play with in the garden as well. Also, if you're new around here guys, then hit the like button if you enjoy the content and you find it useful or entertaining at all. Also, hit the subscribe button down below if you want to catch more videos like this in future, or if you want to find your way back to the channel more easily, yeah, hit the subscribe button down below and we'll get started on this mud kitchen. Oh, and I'm improvising as I go along with this mud kitchen guys, so yeah, I've got no plans to follow. I'm going to draw out a rough plan to kind of follow in my head, but yeah, generally it's just going to be improvising as I go along, so bear with me and wish me luck. Now for the materials I used for the build of the mud kitchen was some pallets I had lying around outside. I had some leftover wood in the garage, including some 3x2 which I used to make the frame. My first problem I ran into was that the screws weren't long enough for the frame of the mud kitchen, so I had to drill a slightly deeper hole into the pieces of wood so that screws sat in further and therefore attached more firmly to the other piece of wood. Apologies, there's a wee skip in the steps in this build because I forgot to turn the camera on when I fitted these 4 pieces of wood across the worktop of the mud kitchen, so my bad. As always, safety first guys, don't forget your mask. To secure the shelves, a bit of wood was just used and then a screw put into the back of each. And some extremely rough looking hangers were made as well with blocks of wood. So I then left this to dry in the garage for about an hour and gave it a second coat afterwards. Go that way.
Oh, wow.
Wow! And there you go, Millie's mud kitchen is finished and up and running in the garden, and she's making full use of it every time she's out and about playing in the garden. So yeah, definitely give this a go yourself. If you're looking to make something for your kids in the garden, then highly recommend you do this. Quite easy, quite straightforward if you have some spare wood lying around and some basic tools lying in your garage or shed. Anyway, thanks for watching, especially right to the end just now. Much appreciated. Also, thanks to everyone for the continued support. Lovely comments I'm getting through the channel. Much appreciated, and it keeps me motivated to make more videos for the channel. And obviously there's more car content coming shortly. So stay tuned hit the like button down below, don't forget, and subscribe too. Catch you all later on, and the Mud Kitchen Maker is signing out. Peace!